Hey guys, and today in this video, I'm going to be making a video about how to make drums that sound like this. NFL Studio 20, I think. So this is how they're gonna sound. Beautiful. So they are going to be a little different because every single time I make them, they are a little bit different. But first, you want to open your channel rack here. And first, let's get rid of that. So here we have just our basics. But first, for me, the first thing that I like to get always is this 808 CH hat. So boom. And then next I usually get is a kick. I like the 808 kick because it's like boom. And then, usually, you're gonna need here, let's listen to it again. Usually you're gonna need a clap of some sort. Alright, apparently that's not gonna work for us, so. You need a clap of some sort, so usually I will go with, okay, I'm starting to remember, this trap background snare. And I'm also gonna put that together with a clap, which is in percussion. This clap right here, I'll layer those on top of each other and use the mixer to make them actually sound better. And then I'll also throw some like bouncing snares in there, so that will sound like this. And that's really it. And then you're also gonna want to get your 808, your like hard bass. So I think that's it. If I'm missing anything, I will get it. Well, the first thing I always do is I set it for fill 2 steps. Like that, so it sounds like. So you have your general. Rap. Hat. So I usually open this thing, and I'll throw one on like measure 5 all the way over here, and I'll get it to the right size. So like, get it by clicking one, and then it'll replicate that side. So I'll put one right there, up like that, and then I'll just go back to the channel rack, and I'll hit fill 2 steps again, and that should fix everything. Yeah. Alright, so now we're just gonna go on through and add everything. So now the kick. So I'm feeling one right there. And you want some variety, so I'll do something like that. Alright, no, see, like that sounds bad, so I'll throw that in the middle even though it's gonna be offbeat. You know what I'll do? I'll make them every one apart by 2. So like that. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. So then we'll throw another one a little bit lower, like there, and then a high here. And then I'll do the same thing I did last time, but this time, no, I'll do the same thing. So it'll be low, high, low, and then low, high, and then no, and then I'll go high, low this time, and then I'll come over here with the high, low, high, middle. So that was a little too much, so I took some of them out. So that sounds pretty good, I think. So now the trap background snare. I usually put one of these on every beat, on every number. So, and the first one, of course. Alright, that sounds fine. And then I'll put the clap under it, like that. So, oh, and if you put your crosshair, if you put your pointer finger on the keys, then you hit Control, then you could drag down and select all of the line. So I'll move this up. So I might mix those down a little bit later. Now this is like the bounce, so. Generally, these should all be the same. No. You could do something like that, though, just to try and match other things. Like, see how that goes. Or you can opposite it, like that. Alright. So, now you can add your... So, this is how it's going to sound at first. That's how it's going to sound at first, guys. But what you need to do is you need to come here. I like to... So, you got to put these all down. So, that sounds a little bit better. But I like to do this. I like to put this top one down that way. This one down that way. And this one down just a tiny bit that way. So, now it's going to sound like this. I don't know why it's so quiet. Give me a second, guy. Oh, and then move that from the wave to the end. And now you get your... This actually hurts my ears. So, the thing is, usually you want to have, like, the little zip up. So... just like about a 2 like square thing, and then have it go up, down, middle, like this. Can't really tell because it's so I'm only gonna have these on 2 of my measures. Oh, and if you can select it by hitting Control and then just dragging. And then once you select it, you hit Control C, then Control V, you will paste it, and then you can move it around in its selected form. And if you're not feeling that, you can also do something like this, of course. As usual, if you just want that an underlying thing. And that's way too loud, so... Now I'm going to show you guys how to use the mixer. So here's the mixer. So first you're going to want to just channel routing. Want to click it so it's yellow, that little square is yellow, then you want to right click on it and hit channel routing and then just click route selected channel to this track. So now I just do that for every single one. So now doing this lets you actually control every single part of your track. So that's too loud. Put it down. Alright, say I think this is way too loud, so I'll put it down. I think the 808 kick is also too loud. Generally, you should have the 808 kick and the 3X OSC be the loudest. I mean, the quietest, not the loudest, because it will hurt your ears with headphones. Well, you should at least make it a little interesting, so you should do something like this. There we go. Well, guys, that's how you make a basic rap drums. So I really hope you guys did enjoy it. And my name is Spider Monkey, and I'm signing off. Peace, guys.